Look up high. This is Puff the baby dragon. He loves to fly high in the sky.
Look, when I am happy, I don't breathe fire, I blow magical rainbow bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. Whee! Down to the soft grass. Time to play. Let me build a big tower with my blocks. One more block on top. Careful. Uh-oh, it's wobbling. No, crashed.
Oh no! Puff worked so hard, but his tower fell into a messy pile. Puff feels a big stormy feeling inside. Puff feels a big stormy feeling inside. He tries to blow a happy bubble to feel better.
I'm so mad. Let me blow a happy bubble. Huff. Hey, just gray smoke?
Oh dear. Puff tries again, but nothing happens. Puff has lost his magical spark. Puff stops. He remembers what to do when big feelings take over. He places his small hands on his tummy and softly closes his eyes.
Join me. Take 3 big breaths. Breathe in and out. In and out. Ah, I feel better. In and out. One more time. Ah, my body feels so nice and relaxed.
The stormy feeling fades away, replaced by a warm, golden glow.
Yay! I feel better. My happy spark is back.
Look, a massive explosion of sparkling rainbow bubbles and stars. Puff's magical spark is back, brighter than ever.
Next time you feel frustrated, take a slow dragon breath just like me. Subscribe to join me on our next adventure. Bye-bye.